Hello, students. Hope you all are fine. Before we start our lesson, let me ask you few questions. Have you heard about aliens? Have you ever imagined how they would look like and what would you do if you got a chance to meet an alien? Lots of answers must have come to your mind, right? Okay, now let's start our today's English session. That is the poem written by Ken Nesbitt, an American poet. I'd like to meet an alien. In this poem, the poet tells that how cool it would be to actually meet an alien. He has explained how the alien might look like and why he wanted to meet him. So now let's start. I'd like to meet an alien. A. Wouldn't that be neat? I'm sure there's not another creature I would rather meet. The poet is saying that he would like to meet an alien. Isn't it good? And he is sure there is no any other creature that he would meet. I'd like him if his head were bald or covered up with hair. I'd like him if his face were round, triangular, or square. Here the poet is saying that he would like an alien even if he was bald. Bald means without hair, or even his head was covered up with hair. I'd like him if his face were round, triangle, or square. He's saying that even if his face was round, triangular, or square, or any other shape, he would like an alien. He would be colored black and white, or yellow, red and green. He might be awfully dirty or meticulously clean. The poet is saying that he wouldn't mind even if his color was black and white, or yellow, or red and green. And even if he was awfully dirty, awfully means extremely. Even if he was extremely dirty or meticulously means through and with careful attention to details. He was attentively clean, carefully clean. So here the poet is saying even if he was extremely dirty or meticulously clean, he would like an alien. I'd like him if he whispered, and I'd like him if he yelled. I'd like him if he used perfume or positively smelled. Here the poet is saying that he would like an alien even if he whispered. Whispered means muttering, telling in a very low voice. And I would like him if he yelled. Yelled means even if he shouts, he would like to meet an alien. I would like him if he used perfume or positively smelled. Even if he used the perfume, he would like him, or if he even smelled, means dirty smelled, even if he would dirty smelled, he would like him. It wouldn't matter much to me if he was soft or scaly, or if he danced the rumba or he played the ukulele. The poet is saying that it wouldn't matter him much even he was soft or scaly. Scaly means rough, dry. Sometimes the skin and hairs are rough and dry, like that. Or if he danced the rumba or he played the ukulele. Rumba is a type of dance and ukulele is a type of musical instrument, four-string musical instrument. He didn't mind that even if he danced rumba or he played the ukulele. He could look like a lizard or be furry and mammalian. I'd simply like to scare my mom by bringing home an alien. The poet is saying that he would look like a lizard or be furry. The furry, the animal which has the fur like sheep, or the alien might look like a mammalian. Mammalian means someone who looks like a human. Even the alien might look like a human being. I would simply like to scare my mom by bringing home an alien. The poet just want to bring the alien to the home to scare his mom. This is all the poet has described here in this poem. Now let's start the exercise. Answer the following questions. How big an alien would the poet like to meet? The poet would like to meet big, medium, or tiny alien. Second one. What does the poet say about the alien's skin? The poet says that he wouldn't mind if his skin was rough and tough or super smooth or shiny. Third one. What does the poet say about the alien's hair and face? The poet would like the alien even if his head were bald or it was covered up with hair. The poet would like his face even if it was round, triangular, or square in shape. Fourth one. What colors has the poet used to describe the alien? The poet has used black and white, yellow, red and green to describe the alien. Fifth one. What wouldn't be a matter of concern for the poet? It wouldn't matter much to the poet if he was soft or scaly or if he danced the rumba or he played the ukulele. Hope you have enjoyed the poem and got all the answers to the questions. Thanks for watching.